Hi everyone and welcome back. Within this video, we are going to look at how to create videos within Canvas. So we're just going to get right into it. Right now, I'm at our discussion and I've clicked on reply. And from there, in order to create your video, you're going to click on insert, media, upload, and record media. So it's going to give you two options. You have computer or record. If you record this week's discussion on your cell phone, you can then upload that video here by clicking drag a file here or click and browse your computer. Or you can record directly on your desktop or laptop. Um, as you can see, I'm right here. You can see me. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click start recording. I want to be able to see you within this week's discussion. So I'm hoping that you guys will be able to not only type your messages, but you're going to convey your messages for all of us to hear and see you. Since we're doing this in an online format, I thought this would be an interesting way for us to engage with each other. Okay, so that concludes this week's video. I look forward to seeing you next week or talking to you next week. Other than that, have a great evening or morning or whenever you are doing this discussion. Bye, you guys.